So now this will be our prediction for the day on our gold. So this will be expecting gold to push up, give us one more bullish move, and take out this high, right? So that is our next movement. But first thing first, if you have not yet subscribed, if you are new and you've not yet clicked on the subscribe button, make sure you do also click on the subscribe button. So once we drop 1 or 2 updates for you guys, you will not miss out on any single update. And also follow the Telegram channel. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So whatever you would want to be doing for the day on your gold, you should be looking for your buy setup. Because when you take a look at this gold right here, this is our higher high and this here is the higher low. This is also the higher high and here comes the higher low. Now market was able to push up again to form a new higher high and here comes the higher low. Now that we've gotten this higher low, right, market is rejecting from here the second time for the second time right here. So this is one of the reasons why we would expect a rejection again, that we push up to take out this high, thereby giving us a new higher high. So a bullish move is what we are going to be expecting next on gold. So be looking for your buy. If there will be any changes to this moment that we just predicted, I'll make sure I let you guys know. So in order for you not to miss out on the updates, click on the subscribe button, like and share, and also follow the Telegram to stay updated. You'll find a link to the Telegram in the comment section.